In this installment of Staying in Touch with Your Students While You're Not in the Building, we'll be cleaning up our calendar to get rid of classroom meet events that go beyond the time that the students aren't going to be in the building. We're hoping we're back by the 1st of May. I would hope that'd be just a great deal. If not, we're going to be in, then none of this matters. Because if we're not back by then, who cares? So let's get started with this. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to a date that the students are going to all be back in school. And in this case, I'm going to say by the end of April. I'm going to select one. I'm going to hit the delete event. And unlike previously, we're going to delete this and all following events. And that's going to get rid of everything that happens beyond here. Look how nice and clean my calendar is when I do that. The other thing you may have is you may find that some of your students, while we're on this extravaganza, can't seem to figure out how to get connected to your classroom. They may not be able to find the document that the instructor or the district has shared with them. When you go into one of your events and you say edit that event, you can invite guests. And over here you can just start typing your students' email addresses, any of your students that have email. I'm going to add Mark, Mr. Johnson. I'm going to add Jenny because she's part of our group and I always like when she comes to class. And I will add my daughter too, just because, that way she can come to class too. That's all you need to do. When you save it, it's going to ask you, I want to save it for all the events. I'm going to do it for this event only, but you would want to do it for this and following events. And then it says, would you like to send invitations? And you say, yes, please send them. In my case, I'm inviting external guests. You will not likely get that unless you're inviting people who don't go to your school. If you're an ITV teacher, that will definitely happen. Once the event is saved, the email has been sent, and all email recipients will get the invitation.